Good morning, friends. So, today we are going to cover one basic information about a subject which is only for CMA final students. Okay, and that paper is paper number 19. Paper number 19, Group 4. Okay, it is a cost and management audit, which is in short called as CMAD. Okay, very important information is this paper is a scoring subject for CMA final students. Okay, it is a scoring subject where most of the people who give real effort on this claim exemption also. Okay, so this is very important paper to score exemption also. Now, purpose of this session is, this video is to make students aware that how do you study this paper, what is the flow of chapters to be followed when you prepare for this, like when you are preparing for this subject. So you should know what is the order for study for this paper 19. So I will be discussing only about the order for study chapter wise in this session. So I divide this CMAD paper, that is cost and management audit paper, into three sections. Section number one is cost audit. Section number 2 will be internal control, and third will be management audit. Okay, management audit. Cost audit, totally there are 8 chapters, but the flow of the 8 chapters should be in this manner. How do you start with? You should start with chapter number 1. After finishing it, go to chapter number 5. After chapter number 5, go to chapter number 6. After chapter number 6, go to chapter number 2. After chapter number 2, go to chapter number 8. After chapter number 8, go to chapter number 3. After chapter number 3, go to chapter number 4. And after chapter number 4, go to chapter number 7. I will repeat again. First you should start with chapter 1. After chapter 1, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 2, chapter 8, chapter 3, chapter 4 and chapter 7. Same way, internal control, there is only one chapter number 11. Management audit, there are 2 chapters. First you should go with chapter 9 and then chapter 10. So this should be the flow of study. Start with cost audits, then go to internal control, only one chapter, and then go for management audit. Chapter wise chapter, go first chapter 1, then 5, then 6, then 2, then 8, then 3, then 4, then 7. Then go to internal control, chapter 11. Then go to management audit, chapter 9, chapter 10. This should be the flow of study. Okay. Next session I will discuss in depth about each chapter wise, like what is the name of the chapter and what it involves and what is the marks involved. All those stuffs I will discuss in second session. And also I will discuss about that it is not pure theory subject, it involves both theory and practical problems also. So which chapters are pure theory, which chapters are pure theory and practical, and which chapters are only practical, I will divide that in next session same way. Please stay updated